PCBA board and shell insulation penetration distance requirements. PCBA board and shell insulation penetration distance requirements. According to the working voltage and insulation application, shall meet the following requirements. First, the working voltage does not exceed 50 V71V ACP or DC value. No thickness requirements. Second, the minimum thickness of additional insulation should be 0 millimeters. Third, the minimum thickness of the reinforced insulation shall be 0 millimeters when the reinforced insulation is not subjected to any exigent stress which at normal temperatures may cause deformation or degradation of the insulating material, provided that the insulation provided is for use in the protective housing of the equipment and is not subject to bumps or bruises during maintenance by the operator and is one of the following. First, for additional insulation, at least 2 layers of materials shall be used, of which each layer can pass the electrical strength test of additional insulation. Second, for additional insulation composed of 3 layers of materials, any combination of 2 layers of materials can pass the electrical strength test of additional insulation. Third, for additional insulation, at least 2 layers of materials are used, each of which can pass the electrical strength test of the reinforced insulation. Fourth, the reinforced insulation composed of 3 layers of insulating materials, in which any combination of 2 layers of materials can pass the electrical strength test of the reinforced insulation.